If you're planning to attend INTERPHEX 2023, be sure to add to your agenda visiting ViewTech Borescopes as they exhibit. From April 25th through the 27th, you'll be able to trial a ViewTech video borescope during INTERPHEX's exhibit hall hours at the Javits Center in New York City, New York. ViewTech has thousands of clients that rely on their video borescopes for maintenance, inspections, and quality control procedures. See for yourself at INTERPHEX 2023 why ViewTech's affordable, high-quality video borescopes are preferred by engineers and technicians throughout the pharmaceutical and biotech industry's remote visual inspection of machinery, equipment, and components. With ViewTech's no-cost, no-obligation demo offer, you can demo a ViewTech video borescope at your facility before your next inspection requirement. Contact the ViewTech Video Borescope experts at 1-231-943-1171 or visit our website viewtech.com.